Hi everyone, it's Tina with Keller Williams and the Evans Real Estate Team, and welcome to 32 Hollywood Drive in West Porters Lake. This newly constructed, custom-built, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, slab-on-grade home is a testament to exquisite craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Conveniently located between Lawrencetown Beach and Porters Lake amenities, 32 Hollywood Drive is nestled on a private and high-graded 1.1 acre lot, which borders a natural spring on the west edge of the property. Indulge your culinary senses in this open concept, stunning walnut kitchen, with unique touches such as this built-in spice rack for style and functionality. Unlike most new construction homes, this one comes with the appliances. The impressive 12 feet by 8 feet patio doors and large south-facing windows flood the interior of this home with an abundance of natural light. The primary bedroom features a grand ensuite and has a large walk-in closet ready to be customized for your preferences. With poplar trim throughout the home, it adds a touch of warmth and elegancy to every room. This home was built for efficiency and durability, starting with a standing seam metal roof, full spray foam insulation, and a 12,000 BTU heat pump. The utilities room is located in a large closet off of the kitchen with additional storage. Immerse yourself in tranquility without the distraction of the unsightly cables, as the power lines are underground. Outside, the 1.1 acre lot has ample space for potential expansion or the addition of a garage. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exceptional custom-built home and tranquil property at 32 Hollywood Drive your own.